So hey guys, Hrittik here. It might be complex for you to cope up with YouTube's forced conversion to Indian numeric system. So I thought let's revert and change it back to millions rather than lakhs. Let's get started with. So you can see it's lakh here. So to get there we have to go to settings, then go to search. Then search languages in the search bar and then select language and input. Then just go to the language option where it's English India before and just change the English India to English USA or United States depending upon the mobile model. And then just go back and open YouTube. Then you can see their following has been changed back to millions, as we can see here.
That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.